conversation with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday, and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're going to do. We're going to deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Nice one, guys. So basically we got some beetroot right there, which we're going to be showing you how to make this beautiful beetroot juice. Come over here. We have 1 lemon and some ginger. Amazing. Just to remind you, you can also get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose. All right, yeah man, a good vibes. So let's jump straight into this and make this beautiful beetroot juice, something totally different. You know, you guys will love to make at home. All right, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. A good vibe. Okay, so let's do this together. All right, so the first thing what we're going to do is get some lemon and put it straight inside of the blender like that. Lemon is very important in the beetroot juice. All right, also we're going to get the beetroot, 1 medium size beetroot we are going to use. Lovely. That's the beetroot right there. Get some ginger. So this is some fresh ginger we are putting inside of the blender. Okay, beautiful one. After you put that beetroot and ginger and lemon, then what you want to do, add a little bit of water. You don't have to add too much, okay? Just add sufficient water, which can blend the drink, okay? And to free up your blender, make it blender a little bit more easier for you. Okay, all right, now what we're going to do next is get the lid. All right, and excellent. All right, now we got beetroot, ginger, lemon, and water. Very simple, doesn't complicate it. Okay, a good vibe. So we're gonna make some noise right now. Amazing and fantastic. So that's it right there. Now you can drink it as it is. You don't have to strain it. Okay, you can just drink it naturally as it is, but we're gonna strain it and make it more lighter and easy to drink. Okay, so hope you guys will do the same thing if you like to. You don't have to, it's just option. We're gonna do simple, pour it out into the blend, into the strainer like that. Okay, lovely to drink. Okay, I like to drink it when it's light, but at least 10% of it right here. So okay guys, yeah, a good vibes. So let me know what you guys think. Who do you drink beetroot juice in the morning and I empty stomach first thing in the morning? Yeah, I like to. To be honest, I drink it a lot of time. Yeah, the beetroot. So many times, first thing in the morning. Yeah, you can't go wrong, guys. All right, let's strain this. Lovely. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to just simple. I don't want to mess up my. Yeah, very, very beautiful to have something amazing like this in the morning on an empty stomach. Beetroot juice, okay? And I will encourage you guys to do the same thing at home if you can. All right, remember to get yourself a copy of the book also. Good vibes. And enjoy this beautiful recipe this morning. Once again. Yes, my beautiful people, you don't know it. Let's quickly just mention the book. All right, and that's the book right here. You guys can get yourself a copy of the book. All right, good vibes, people. Yes, so drinking the beetroot first thing in the morning on an empty stomach is really amazing. I did my lemon water already. I drink some lemon water earlier, so just gonna drink this morning. Hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Leave your comments. Have a beautiful one. Have a beautiful day, and you know it, go already. Stay blessed, man. Try our best to give you good recipes to make at home. That's it right there. So I finished the juice, and I know you guys definitely will love this one. So tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, so we got a lot more recipes. Wow, I don't understand why this thing keeps sharing that. But anyway, that's it for you guys this morning. Very good for high blood pressure, beetroot juice. And it's also very good to boost the immune system, very good for blood flowing and lots of things, guys. So enjoy it and leave your comments. See you next time. Bye-bye. Yeah, it was a good one.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm.